In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage the settings in the back end in order to make the products appear the way you need them to in the POS. The first thing we're going to do is review the various settings associated with the POS grid view. So let's go to Settings, in the left-hand navigation menu, select Settings, and then you're going to select the General Settings tab underneath Personal Information, and you're going to scroll down to POS Product Grid, and that's underneath Stock Management. Scroll down. There's Stock Management, and here we go, POS Product Grid. The first setting, POS Grid Size Web, allows you to change the number of products that are displayed on the POS per line on the web version. You can choose to display 4, 6, or 8 items per row. The next setting, POS Grid Size App, allows you to change the size of the POS grid in the app version. You can increase the size of the grid by 25 or 50%. POS Grid Additional Height App, this increases the size of each product within the grid. This setting is extremely useful for users who may have visual impairments that make it difficult for them to see smaller text. Alphabetical Sort Products Categories. This setting, when enabled, alphabetizes the products and categories within the POS view. Alphabetical Sort Modifiers. This setting, when enabled, it alphabetizes the modifiers within each product. Reduce image height. If you have images assigned to products, this will make those images smaller within each product within the POS grid, which is useful if you have products with longer names. Default POS category ID, there is an ID number associated with each product and category. So if you want the POS screen to default to a specific category, you can enter that ID number in that field. If you're unsure about how to locate that number, just go to Items on the left-hand side. Select View Categories at the top. And right here to the left of each category, you have the ID number. And you can just pop that ID number back in the settings. So go back to Settings, General Settings, scroll down to POS Grid under Stock Management, and here's where you can enter that ID number. Once you're done, you're just going to scroll down and press Save. Now that we've reviewed the different settings, let's change the product grid view for the web version. I went ahead and returned all the POS product grid settings to the default settings so that we can see what the default POS view looks like. Scroll back down to POS Product Grid and let's quickly review the default settings and see what that looks like in the POS. So we're back in General Settings, we're going to scroll down to POS Product Grid. As you can see, the default settings for the POS Product Grid are, so for POS grid size for web is 6 items. We're going to ignore the app settings. Alphabetical sort is disabled for products, categories, and modifiers. It's also disabled for reduced image height, and as you can see, we have no default POS category ID set. So let's check these out in the POS. Go to Point of Sale on the left-hand side. Just hover over, press Point of Sale. And as you can see right now, there's 6 items per row, and the product images within each product is fairly large. We also see that the products are not alphabetized, and when you select the product within the modifiers, with modifiers like t-shirt, so let's find t-shirt, the list of modifiers isn't alphabetized either. So let's close that. And when you take a look at the category drop-down menu, so select a category, you'll also see that there's no default category set. Instead, you're given the option to select a category, and all those categories are listed below. So let's go ahead and change some of those settings and take a look at what those changes look like. Let's go back to the dashboard. So Settings, General Settings, and let's scroll back down to POS Product Grid. So let's set the POS grid size to 8 items. Scroll down. Let's enable alphabetical sort, and keep in mind we're only going to do the web version, so you don't need to edit these 2 settings. So let's enable the alphabetical sort for products categories. Let's just leave this as it is. Let's reduce image height, and let's select, let's see, so items, let's see which category we're going to use. View categories. And let's go with, which one has the most? 4. So we're going to select fruits. Let's go back to settings, general settings, POS product grid, 6, we're going to leave that, we disabled that. Let's enable this. Let's change this to 8. I'll leave this one alone. Let's enable this, and we're going to change this to 4. And let's press save. So let's return to the point of sale view. Select point of sale on the left-hand side. And as you can see, now we have 8 items per row. The default category is fruits, which is why we see less products than before. So definitely feel free to play around with those settings until you have the most ideal view for you and your employees' needs.